Hi, this is Marianne Fessenden with AMTS, Agricultural Modeling and Training Systems. AMTS is a ruminant nutrition-focused software company that works primarily with nutritionists, veterinarians, and feed companies to help formulate diets for use on farms. We also have software that is designed for calf managers and feeders to perform the daily management task of feeding pre-weaned calves on the farm. I am primarily responsible for support and training in MixALot. I have created a series of short videos that will help step you through the setup and use of MixALot. This first video gives you a sense of what MixALot is and what it is designed to do on your farm. MixALot is a web-based neonate feeding program developed for calf, lamb, and kid managers and feeders, targeting on-farm consistent liquid nutrition feeding. Okay, that is a very inclusive phrase meant to capture most scenarios that fit MixALot. To put it in more simple terms and focusing on calves, MixALot will help the person who sets up the calf feeding program make sure the feeders give the calves what he needs them to get. Every day, every feeding. It is not intended to formulate the diet. We have a calf model in our formulation program to do that. It takes the developed feeding plan and manages it so that the feeder can cope with daily variations in ingredient availability and animal number without resorting to a difficult-to-interpret static spreadsheet or needing daily calculations from the manager transferred to a whiteboard. The goal of any neonate program is to produce healthy, fast-growing animals utilizing the best cost management of available resources. We want to do that the easiest way possible considering the challenges that calf managers and feeders face. Those can be as basic as changing availability of ingredients, especially true on farms that utilize parlor milk to supplement other feed ingredients, and changing calf numbers, both numerically and age progressively. Calves may experience variations in their diets because of an inconsistent mix due to changing ingredients, poorly adhered to feeding schedules, ill communication between feeders and managers, and hard-to-interpret charts. The result of such variability is slow-growing, scouring sick animals that struggle to thrive. Many studies have shown that high-producing, efficient, mature animals are the product of well-managed neonates. MixALot takes a lot of the guesswork out of managing milk feeding. The calf manager sets up diets and groups using parameters specific to their farm. Using MixALot, the calf manager can balance commercially available milk replacers, individual ingredients like whey powder, parlor milk, transition milk, and dosage-type ingredients to create recipes that meet desired final solids, including fat, protein, lactose, and ash, with a best cost optimizer. The manager sets the feeding rates and group breakdown when they set up the program. The calf feeder can then view the recipes on a smartphone or tablet. They can adjust the numbers that change feeding to feeding, like number of animals in a group and the amount of parlor or waste milk available, the two most common variables on a lot of dairies. Once they have made those changes, they click MixALot and view mix instructions with new ingredient inclusion rates. No need to look up amounts on complicated spreadsheets and tables. They can even view the results in Spanish or Italian instead of English. I hope this gives you a better understanding of who MixALot is designed for and what it can do. The next video shows how to download and activate a trial to see if MixALot will work on your farm.